What you did is despicable. Despicable.
Tense moments at a public hearing after an insurance CEO admitted to hiring private investigators to gather confidential information on lawmakers as well as customers with pending insurance claims. It happened after the committee revealed leaked emails from the CEO. Attorney General Ken Paxton responded by launching an investigation. Nabil Ramadna takes us inside the hearing, questioning the company's CEO.
During Wednesday's Texas House DOJ committee meeting, Superior Insurance CEO Mark Sanders sat face-to-face with lawmakers.
But I don't think what any of us expected was for a health insurance company that is funded mostly by Texas taxpayer dollars, that they would use some of those monies to hire private investigators.
KXAN investigators obtained and reviewed copies of emails between the CEO of that insurance company and private investigators, asking for in-depth reports on certain lawmakers. Another exchange shows them looking into one lawmaker's divorce records. Representative Giovanni Capriglione was unwavering in his questioning of the company's practices.
Have you ever tasked a private investigator firm to dig into the background and financial or personal records of any state government official or their wife?
We've done what I would call general research, anything that's publicly available. Yes, we have done that.
Central Texas Representative Ellen Troxclair accused the company of misusing dollars, money meant for sick or disabled children in their care through a state program known as Star Kids.
Now we're up here talking to a company who has received millions, billions of dollars in taxpayer funds through Medicaid contracts, who have used that money to then hire private investigators to follow around patients and legislators that are asking questions about what the heck is going on.
Any Texan seeing this would be alarmed and outraged that this is the length to which certain insurance companies will go to protect and procure their profits.
Advocate Hannah Mehta, a mother herself, spent years fighting for better care, even founding Protect Texas Fragile Kids to tell their stories. She told KXAN investigators last year she wants more oversight on where the money goes.
And looking at how the profits are accumulated, where those taxpayer dollars are going, the contractual amounts that are provided by the state, and how they're being used.
Lawmakers fear these surveillance practices could be used to gain an unfair advantage in securing state contracts or to discredit their own customers seeking payment on legitimate insurance claims. Nabil Ramadna, State of Texas.
Attorney General Ken Paxton released a statement announcing the investigation. He wrote, "The allegations concerning Superior's actions, such as actions that were characterized as potentially blackmailing lawmakers to secure state contracts and surveilling private citizens to avoid paying legitimate claims, are deeply troubling." Meanwhile, the Dallas Morning News reported that Sanders was no longer Superior's CEO. Superior's parent company sent the paper a statement saying they fired Sanders. The state's Big Three tout progress on priority education legislation, but one leader wants more. Find out why we're already hearing hints of a special session under the dome. Only 14 counties in Texas have medical examiners, which critics say points to an outdated death investigation system. Now a bill up for consideration at the Capitol could bring change and more medical examiners in more counties.